Alright, this is The Illusion reporting from Malibu, California, somewhere on Spaceship Earth. I'm down on Windward Avenue to go check out the RUNMAN show and the Doom Bombers art show, dude. Yeah. Yo, Josh, you're answering the phone. Good. Yeah, just answer the phone, dude. We got 1 RUNMAN, 2 RUNMAN, 3 RUNMAN. Down in Venice.
You guys load in.
Yeah.
I'll have you guys come back upstairs. And then when it's time for you guys to sound check, I'll bring you back downstairs. It's really that much of an issue. Yeah. Right, so well, just so you know, so there'll be a little bit of back and forth, but
they can hang out in the gallery.
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, gallery or right here.
Escape.
It's such a nice breeze too. I mean, like literally, I hang out mostly outside. So, yeah. How you guys doing?
Good. How are you?
Good to see you guys.
What's your name?
Carlos.
Carlos. I'm Bo.
What's up, Bo? What's up, bro?
I'm Dalton.
Hey, what's up, man? Yeah, cool.
I'm The Illusion, man. How's it going?
Hey, cool.
All right, look, we got some sort of drums.
Dalton, do you have any jackets?
Yeah, absolutely. Do you have any jackets? Hey, anyone got any red shoes for this guy?
I got red.
Escort it down.
So, escort it? Yeah, because we have to go. We go down and we set up. Then we.
You take your bass down there?
Yeah. Cheater band.
So you guys, you just need to make
it. Yeah, right. You can say, but we have to go down there, set up, and do sound check, then come back up, then go down there and play, and then come back up, then go down there and load everything. Unless we're like down there doing something, we can't hang out. Us. So you can hang out down there, but we can't.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go down there.
We have to be. Oh yeah, you can go. We have to wait to be escorted.
So there's 3 of you guys.
That's the whole band right there.
Go down now.
Oh, we can.
Yeah, you can take it down. Carlos is down there.
All right.
But after you load, just have to come back up.
I'm their videographer.
See, the big camera.
80s hardcore.
Cool.
Yeah. I'm vaguely familiar with that. I mean, you know, a little bit.
It'll be fun.
Cool, yeah.
Minor Threat, Adolescence.
Oh, that I definitely know that.
Jerks.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Black Flag.
I know that well. I saw Minor Threat once. Yeah, like late 80s, maybe toward the end.
That's sick.
Yeah.
I'm envious of you.
Okay, so let's just see what's up with them setup wise. Do you guys have more things to bring in?
Yeah. I have to take a pitch too. So
Okay.
is there a place where I can take a leak?
Yes.
Down here, or do I gotta go up there?
You have to go up there.
Gotta go up there?
And I'm actually.
There's a bathroom in Matt's art
Go in the
show.
art show.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's green screen my seat.
Are we setting up over here?
No. They're gonna set up first.
Okay.
Then we're gonna.
All right, whatever. I'll figure it out.
Sound check them. Then we're gonna bring you guys on. Yeah. So actually, once you guys get all your gear in here, we'll go back upstairs and then we'll assess everything there.
Make it Hollywood! Hollywood!
Are you one of the artists?
I'm one of the
Incognito, is that what it is? And then just like put whatever on it. Whoa, that looks like my tattoo. I tried to. That's better actually.
Sure, let's see.
How's that done?
next to your thing, dude. Stand next to your thing.
Oh, I didn't even see this side.
How's that little Lisa Simpson shirt?
Shit. It's a fucking...
That's the brother's Marshall sunglasses.
You see Jesse? Yeah. That's you. Who's that? That's so fucking sick, Skylar. Look at the GMF.
What's GMF?
Good man, fool.
Good man, fool.
So shit. Don't get that character in that one. Did he do one or anything?
Nah, I'm out of the club.
Who's gonna? So sick. Look at Skylar's
thing, yeah.
Look at the sand. I don't know, it's epic. The crap's blue red. Tough and paint. Oh, look at your beat, dude. He did it right. See the crookedness? Yeah. The good kid. Yeah, he did good on mine, but he fucked up my yours. It looks like you have a normal size now. Alright. Yeah, it's RUNMAN Incognito. Yeah, that's it. It's a new logo. No, I don't want to bite my own shit. Oh, the crooked. It looks good. It's better than my tattoo.
Let's see your tats compare.
It's pretty on point, dude. Yeah, it's pretty. Except the boot like fucking that.
Yeah, it looks like pre-Mohawk Dalton.
He looks skinny in the drawing. Shut your mouth. Beyond the hand grenade.
Oh, of course.
Yeah, what you got?
Yeah, he told me. He was just telling me the rundown about you guys. So I was like, awesome, they sound great.
Yeah, my brother's doing art show next door.
Yeah,
I didn't even break a sweat.
Yeah.
People that come here tonight probably are.
We're only playing in an hour.
I want to do that more, dude. I want to play more.
So,
once I start playing, I just want to keep playing.
How long is that? That's the first song.